Cool, right? Well, that was all done by AI. Let me tell you, I got this comment from Funky Fowl Nation asking me how Geco makes their videos. Geco is a channel with over 5 million subscribers, and they make these chicken songs with music video. So yeah, challenge accepted. Let's get started. First, we go to ChatGPT and type, I want to create an EDM song with chicken sounds. I want to generate it with my AI music generator. I have two options. I can generate it as an instrumental or with lyrics. Which one will give me the better result? Now type, okay, I will try option 1. Please give me the prompt so my AI music generator creates the perfect chicken song. Now copy that and go to an amazing AI music generator called Suno. Now add the prompt here. Oh no, our prompt is too long. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us a snappier one. Now add it again. Perfect. Now press create. After like 15 seconds, we can already listen to one of the two music generations. Let's have a listen.
Woke up at dawn with the rooster shout, feathers flying as the beat breaks out. Cluck, cluck, squawk like the farm gone wild. Barnyard rave, it's the chicken style. Spin those wings round, feel the bass line peck. Every head in the coop just broke their necks. Crow hits sharp like a DJ scratch. Farmyard's lit with the loudest hatch. Cluck, cluck, let's go, the coop's on fire. Bassline drops.
Not bad. Now let's listen to this one.
Woke up at dawn with the rooster shout, feathers flying as the beat breaks out. Cluck, cluck, squawk like the farm gone wild. Barnyard rave, it's the chicken style. Spin those wings round, feel the bass line.
Also nice. Now download the one you like most. Now click here on Instrumental. And generate it again. Yes guys, we will try two different methods to make a chicken song. One with vocals and the other without. Let's listen to the first instrumental one. Okay, wow, I really love this. Let's listen to the second one. Okay, not bad either. Now download the one you like most. Now we are going to transform the song with vocals, this one.
Woke up at dawn with the rooster.
We will use Jammable to accomplish this. Now here in the search bar, search for chicken. Now pick the IE chicken voice. Click on Create Cover. Now add the song with vocals that we generated in Suno. Press Next Step, and then press Convert. This will take like 1 minute. Here it is. Let's have a listen. Ha ha ha. Okay, nice. Let's download it. And if you want to edit it a bit here and there, then be sure to download the a cappella and instrumental separately. And by the way, guys, I also tried to make an AI cover with the song without the vocals, but as you've guessed it, it didn't work. We only got this tiny part with some chicken sounds. But okay, now this is optional, but I will place the a cappella and instrumental in a music editing software like FL Studio, and this can also be done in CapCut. I will simply turn the volume of the a cappella a bit down and add some reverb to it. And export it. Now we will edit the instrumental song and add some chicken sounds to it. Place the instrumental in the playlist. Now I will search on YouTube for a chicken sound effect and download it with the 4K video downloader. Just download the MP3 and add it to your music editing program. This could also be CapCut. Okay, now I will get technical. The first method I tried was to put the chopped chicken sound in a synthesizer and then use it to make a melody. Here you can see me do that. And guys, if you are really interested in doing this method, then I would highly recommend you watch this video where I explain how they make those bongo cat songs. But since, in this case, I did not like the result that much, I decided to take another approach. This method is way easier. I simply added the chicken sound effect multiple times to the song, and when there was the drop I would put even more of it there. Super easy, yet effective. Now export it. Now add the song to CapCut, and I will add both versions to CapCut so you can let me know in the comments which one you liked most after you've watched the end result. Now let's go to ChatGPT and ask, now I want to create a music video for it. I will use an AI video generator. Please give me all the prompts to create an amazing music video. Now copy the first prompt and go to an AI video generator like, for example, Hello AI. Go to Create and to Text to Video and add the prompt. Generate it. Generate all the videos. I even asked for more prompts and then I also generated those videos. Add them to CapCut. Add some transitions. Now add some random effects everywhere. Just be like an artist and let your imagination run wild. Finally, add some filters to seal the deal. When you are done, export it in 4K. Before I'm going to show you the end result, let me do the outro. And that's it. Now it's up to you. Create your own chicken song with AI. And yes, you can obviously replace the chicken with a horse or a lion. Now that you've acquired the skills, everything is possible. Have a lot of fun. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you'll never miss another Mr. Lemon video. And guys, be sure to become a member and get access to all the membership perks. See you in the next video. Bye. Here is the end result.